How to buy Bitcoin on PayPal. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. You can directly check out your PayPal website or the PayPal app to buy the Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and narrow it down. If you are using your web, make sure to log in firstly, then click on the Finances option. In your app, you need to click on the Account option. In your web, you will see the option of Buy. Click on it, then choose a crypto to buy. You can also select the amount and frequency, which includes daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. After which, select a payment method and tap on the Next button. Now to confirm, just click on Buy Now button. Similarly, in your app, you can choose on the Account option, then tap on Crypto and select the option of Buy. Similarly, choose the amount and frequency. Select a starting date and tap on the Confirm button. Confirm your amount and tap on the Next button. Then select your preferred payment method and tap on Next. Now to finalize it, tap on Authorize and Schedule. So this is how you buy Bitcoin on your PayPal. We hope you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.